Sekuwama-changes e-radio laphana, there are new changes enziwe laphana i-radio yaseGoli, YFM, i-commercial radio station yaseJoburg. So i-YFM laphana introduce ishow ye-hip hop laphana. So ibike yaba khona ishow ye-hip hop before, benziwa uScoop yaphela, and then kwasaluzeni. Then right now balande u-DJ Slick beno-Roy bazoyenza ishow, and into interesting ngale show yabo bazoyenza on Sunday same time ngesikhathi owenza ngayo show laphana ku5FM, because there's also a hip hop show ku5FM nayo yenzeka on Sunday 7 to 10. So I'm not sure ukuthi YFM izama ukudlulisa i-message, because they can choose any slot esikhona, but decide to choose lesi slot. I think they are going straight for the show, because isithe ugena i-momentum yatrenda na ku YouTube. So bavele bayenza on the very same time. So I think it is a big win for hip hop, because there was a time la hip hop I think asekho ama show, because avela cancel after hip hop nje ithe ukushona phansi ama radio station ayikhanselile. Gaga FM Berlin show hip hop la ikhansela, 5FM, Metro FM. So ama show hip hop nje avela cancel phela. So we have another hip hop show ibuyile. So I think it win for abantu abama-fans hip hop abafana nathi ke. So lo show le izoba on Sunday, abantu mele beyibheke le show. There's also another person abam-edile ku-YFM ba-ede uShimza laphana ke, and abantu abaningi nguShimza ke bayakhala laphana ku-Twitter bathi no, why uShimza inikeza umsebenzi, because already uShimza he's gigging everywhere, uhamba wonke ama-event amakhulu emhlabeni, ubhukwa ko-Tomorrowland, why bezonikeza ishow. But I don't think bayibonile la i-slot sakhe, because le show yaShimza lapha is only 1 hour on Saturday, and I think this is most about ama-mix laphana, because already unayo partnership namanye ama-radio station aphesheya abasubmita khona lama-mix Afro-tech, Afro-house. So uletha abantu aba-different laphana ushow. It doesn't even have to be there, because uShimza umuntu otravelayo akasoze ayithathe i-contract ezomhlalisa eredweni on a Saturday night umuntu ogiga kanje. So abantu abaningi bayithathe ngehaba-ke bahlanganisa ne-unemployment. Vele-ke emzansi kabhede imisebenzi ayikho, but I think bagagamela ba-overreact laphana. It's not a big deal. Mina I think abantu abazogena kakhulu kulento kaShimza no-YFM, i-YFM, because bazama ukusondeza kulama connection, because uShimza right now emzansi uyi-biggest promoter, uyena umuntu oyi-promoter i-big nawo wonke, wenza ama-event every month. Ikhona i-UR, ikhona yekunye, there's also another event labayenza i-boat of bantu, boat wells or something like that, but uyena umuntu wenza ama-event o-consistent emzansi. So I think YFM maybe zama u-create low connection, so that bezokwazi uba ne-access kuma-event yakhe, because beseyiphathi i-staff sabo. Then another person bam-ede laphana ba-ede uMunaka laphana. uMunaka bekade ku-podcast la edume kakhulu ibizwa ngePiano Pass laphana. So bam-edile bazomenza umsakazi-ke laphana. I'm not sure ukuthi uzophefuma kanjani, because even laphana kuleya show yePiano Pass uMunaka ubengayena umuntu one-information noma umuntu o-inform about music, but ugudi ngasepresenteni, but akanalo background music-ke. But-ke eredweni-ke babathanda abantu abama-influencer these days, abasenayo ukubheka i-skill ne-talent, babheka nje ukuthi unama-numbers amangako ne-influence engakanani. So I think uMunaka kuleyo category uyafitha, because unama-numbers laphana ku-Instagram, unama-numbers asirasi. But when it's come to i-skill sokuba i-radio DJ, I don't think unaso, but she can present anything. So maybe mengayenza i-research yakho uzofitha laphana ku-YFM. But-ke I'm happy for her, because akahambanga kahle le hambe khona laphana ku-Piano Pass kula network MacG. So bezothola igig efana ne-YFM. I think i-YFM iyazama, and shout out to YFM. I think ibona abantu abazama kuona wonke ama-radio station ukuthi bezama ukumatcha le content ya-online, because bayazama. Khona ama-show ayenza behind the scenes. There's also another show abayedile inoSlika, izoba ishow, ayizuba on air, but i-podcast izoba laphana. So isakhuluma ngomusic. Yakhumbula even 2 years ago bayizamile bayenza noZinga laphana, bebiza ama-artist, bebeyi-record e-studio, but bengabi on air, befaka internet. There's also another show abawenza laphana anama-girls laphana. So ipage le-YFM bazama ukuthi bemixe leyo content. So I think isekhona laphana i-vision ekhona lapha ku-YFM, because i-YFM ngihlonipha kakhulu ngoba iproduce abantu abaningi abama-journalists, abako-ENCA, abako-News Africa, abantu abaningi nje ku-media space e-South Africa. Mangathiwa siyabala, they are coming from EY Academy or else YFM direct. So I think laphana YFM bayapheka. So ngizoyivala lapha ivideo yami ingazibe yinde kakhulu. Nami sikhona ku-Twitter @speaker nawe, sibe khona ku-TikTok siSpeaker Nawe show, sikhona ku-Facebook siSpeaker Nawe. Ikuphi ngilibala, I think Instagram awe.